So how do you make money on YouTube without making videos and get paid anything from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars every single month? Well, on this video, not only am I going to show you how to make money on YouTube through ad revenue, I'm also going to show you how to make money on YouTube through other avenues as well, which is a super powerful system in a niche that is absolutely blowing up. If you want to know how to start a YouTube channel and absolutely grow it to the next level, I'll show you how to get started, what software to use, how to create very, very simple thumbnails, and what software you need to use. And the most important, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how do you make sure that you grow your YouTube channel. If you're interested in this content, keep watching. Hey everyone, it's Alan here again from the Smart Video Tactics channel, where I post videos to teach you how to grow your YouTube channel, make the most amount of money, and have the best impact. If this is why you've come to my channel, go down the bottom, hit that subscribe button, turn on all the notifications, and I'll make sure you get notified every time I post a brand new video to help you grow your YouTube channel. That way, we can grow together. With that being said, let me show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos yourself. And the niche that we're going to be looking at today is in the health niche. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of channels over here that are doing really, really well with this strategy. But most importantly, I want to show you how you can replicate this to make money on YouTube without making these videos. And it is absolutely possible, and I'll show you where and how you can do this. So the first channel that I want to show you over here is called Natural Cures. Now, I've spoken about this channel previously, probably on this channel and on another channel that I have. And the reason I do that is because I love the simplicity of this channel and what they do to make money on YouTube. And if you have a look at this, they've got 3 million subscribers, and they have kept a very similar model to the way they run their channel. And if you have a look over here, I love their thumbnails, okay, guys? They're not overcomplicated. A lot of their thumbnails don't even have text over. You can see here that they're using royalty-free images, or they're using stock images where they could be potentially paying for some of them, because they've gotten to a level where they're making tens of thousands of dollars every single month, so they can afford to spend a little bit on some of these images. But I'll show you where you can get these absolutely for free. That's the first thing I love about this channel. The second thing I love about this channel, guys, is have a look at how short their videos are. This video over here is 2 minutes and 48 seconds, 4 minutes and 12, 2 minutes and 54, 3 minutes and 39 seconds. So you can imagine that these videos do not consume a lot of time. It doesn't take hours and hours of editing and production to make these videos, and they're absolutely killing it in this niche, okay? So if you come down here, their model is exactly the same, and they do post a video every single day, and their videos get tens of thousands of views. And their most popular videos, if you come over here and we have a quick look, get tens of thousands of views. So if we go to most popular over here, I'm pretty sure they're going to have some videos that are getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views on this channel. So if we have a look over here, it's just loading up. This video over here that I posted a few years ago has over 29 million views. But if you have a look, even if we go back a couple of years over here, their model and their strategy has not changed, which is fantastic. So I'm going to come back over here to the newest video first, and I'll click into it to show you exactly what they're doing and how and what they're putting in their description and the tags that they're using. Most importantly, how you can copy some of these videos and tags and what you need to do that. So if we come over here, let's just click onto this video over here. Okay, so as you can see here, I had to get rid of an ad because I had an ad playing at the start of their video. Now, as you can see here, guys, they use stock footage on their videos, okay? So all this sort of stuff is either paid or they've got it from royalty-free sites, and they have a very simple text overlay, which you can quite simply use any of the softwares that I'm going to show you today to create this text. I'm just going to put the volume up over here so you can hear this, okay? And as you're going to see, they've got a voiceover, which I'm going to show you where you can get the voiceover done for you if you don't want to do the voiceover yourself when you're making these YouTube videos. So let me just play just a few seconds of this for you.
You can't increase your immunity, but you can strengthen it. Did you know that? Immunity is what we call the capability the body has of defending itself from invaders.
So as you can see, guys, they've got a voiceover, they've got royalty-free videos, royalty-free images, and they create these very simple videos. And if we scroll down here and we click on to show more, you can see here that they've got a very good lengthy description, which helps rank their videos, okay? And if you come down here, you can see that they do have a link to a site. If we click onto this, let's just have a look where they could be making affiliate sales, which I'm going to show you how you can do exactly the same on this video as well. When you come over to this website, it could be their blog. You can come over here, click on to read more, and potentially buy things where they will make even more money on YouTube. Okay. And the best part about this is, guys, they're doing this and they're not even making any of the videos yourself. And what I mean by that, I mean by them not being on camera themselves. They're just getting different types of stock footage and creating a voiceover. The best part about that is as well, guys, is to do a voiceover, you don't actually need a fancy, microphone like this. When I first started and when I did similar stuff to this, I used my mobile phone, and you can quite simply record on your mobile phone and then just upload that footage onto your software and use it when you upload to your YouTube channel. Okay, so as you can see here, they're very smart over here. They do have a link in their description. Now I want to show you this over here. These are the tags that they're using on their videos. Okay, and to do this, to find out what tags are really good tags to use, or if you wanted to do a similar video and you wanted to use very similar tags because they've already done their research, all you need to do is download a software called vidiq.com. Okay, as you can see, I've got an extension up here. Okay, because I've got this software downloaded onto my computer, and this is the software that shows me exactly what they're using over here. It gives me all this information along the right hand side over here as to how this video is performing, so that you know whether or not you should copy this type of video. Now, if you wanted to get into this type of niche, you can just come over here, have a look at the best performing videos and start from there. Find very similar channels, which I'm going to show you one more, and you can replicate this over and over again. So this is how they're making their videos, guys. Very, very simple. I'm going to show you in a second how to do these different types of thumbnails, where to get these different stock footage and videos from. And before I do that, I want to show you how much money this channel makes through ad revenue alone. Okay, so if you come over to a site called socialblade.com and you scroll down, this is going to give you a rough indication. But if you take 50% of what they show you, it's a good estimate as to how much money the channel is making. Okay, the health and fitness niche pays really good money. Okay, the CPM for that, which is cost per mile, which is what you earn per 1,000 views, is quite high because the ads that are displayed on that channel cost a lot more money to be displayed on there. They pay YouTube more money, which means that the creator of that content gets a bigger cut of that revenue. So when you come over here, you can see that they're making anything from $90 to $1,400 every single day, and that varies a little bit. But if you come over here, that's anything from $2,400 to $38,500, and I would estimate that this channel is making anything up to $20,000 every single month for less than 5-minute videos that they're posting on their channel every single day. Not bad for somebody who's making money on YouTube without making videos. Okay, now the second channel that I wanted to show you is this one over here. It's called Drschool, who's doing something very, very similar to the first channel that I showed you over here, which is Natural Cures. And as you can see, they've got very, very similar, simple thumbnails. The content is less than 5 minutes, or a lot of it is. Some of it's a little bit longer, 3 minutes, 8 minutes, 6 minutes. And if you come down here, they're doing exactly the same thing. I've had a look at this channel. They're using royalty-free images, royalty-free stock footage, and they're starting to blow their channel up. And once they're monetized, they're going to start to make really good money online, and they're using affiliate links on their channel, which I'm going to show you how to do exactly the same. So the first way to make money is through ad revenue once you hit your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. But what do you do to make money on YouTube before you hit these metrics? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. Quite simply, you come over to a site like clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is an affiliate marketing network where you can get a whole range of different types of products to promote someone else's products that are going to pay you a percentage every time you make a sale. Sounds really cool, right? So what you do is you come over here into their marketplace, okay? And once you're in their marketplace, all you need to do is scroll down the left-hand side over here, and depending what niche that you're in, all you need to do is select that category. So let's say we're in a health and fitness niche because that's the channel we're talking about today. You click onto health and fitness, and once you do that, it's going to give you a whole range of different types of products that you can promote on your YouTube channel. So you come over here and you're going to find a whole heap of different types of stuff. Now, as you can see here, guys, you've got something that's called Resurgence. You've got this other one over here. It's called Leptitox. You come over here, you've got another, it's called a fat flusher. You've got something for diabetes. And all you do is you'd come over here and you'd find a product that you want to promote. Let's say you wanted to go with something like this, a custom keto diet, where somebody looking to lose weight can sign up to this company over here and customize their keto food. Very, very good. And anybody that signs up, you will get an average of $45 for every single person that purchases this product. All you need to do is come over here, click on to promote. Once you click on to promote, you're going to see your affiliate nickname over here. Click on to generate hop links. Once you do that, it's going to give you this link over here. And this is the link that you're going to use in the description of your video, just like you saw the other channel doing. And anybody that clicks onto that and purchases, you make an average of $45. And if you do that on every single video, it's not bad. I mean, at least you're getting paid something until your channel is monetized and you're making money on YouTube. It's a fantastic way, and affiliate marketing is super powerful. And I wouldn't discourage doing this even once you're monetized. Keep doing that. It just means you're going to make even more money online. So this is how you do affiliate marketing, and this is a fantastic platform to get started with. Now, if you're looking to get free images and if you're looking to get free stock footage, the site that you would go to is called pexels.com. This is just one of many that you can go and search for online. And what you do is you'd quite simply come over here, and let's say you wanted to search for something like, let's have a look at this channel over here. Let's say this, for example, over here, eating oats. They're doing a video about oats. So you'd come over here, you can type in something like breakfast, for example, okay? Once you type in breakfast, you're gonna see a whole range of different types of stock footage, photos that you can use, and videos. If you click onto videos over here, you're gonna find a whole range of videos that you can use. Now that's a breakfast. You can also type in oats. So if you're doing a video on oats, for example, you type in oats over here and you're going to see a whole range of different types of videos that you can use absolutely for free. And you can come over to photos as well, and you can get all these photos for free as well. Now, once your channel starts to make a little bit of money and you want to upgrade your content and you want to get a little bit better photos and videos, then you can start to pay pexels.com. You can even come over to a site that's amazing and has a lot of content called shutterstock.com. You can get to 10 free images when you first start off, but then you can start to pay for a monthly subscription, and they basically have everything that you're ever going to need to make your channel successful. Okay, so this is how you're going to get the footage and the photos. Now, how are you going to make those thumbnails? Well, I recommend when you get started, as you saw, those thumbnails aren't too difficult to create. You just need to know where to get the stock footage that you're going to use as the photos for your thumbnails. And then quite simply, you come over to canva.com. It's absolutely free to sign up, and you can start to create a thumbnail. Now, what you can do is go over to YouTube and have a look at free tutorials on how to create thumbnails on Canva, and it will show you how to do that. But this is the software that you would be using. Now, if you wanted to create the voiceover for these different videos and you don't want to do it yourself when you first start off, then you can absolutely do that. All you need to do is come over to a site called fiverr.com, and you can pay for people to do the voiceover for you. So what you would do is you'd come over here, you'd type in voiceover, and if you scroll down, you can find people that will do these different types of voiceovers for you for as little as $8. I mean, have a look over here. I will be your professional voiceover actor within 24 hours for $8, guys. Okay, so this is not a lot of money to invest into a channel when you're first starting out that has the potential to make you tens of thousands of dollars. Now, there's two ways that you can do this. Number one is you can start the voiceovers yourself when you first start your channel, and then once you grow your channel to a level where you can start paying others to do these, not only can you pay them to do the voiceovers for you, but you can also pay someone to do the editing for you. You can pay someone to do the thumbnails for you as well, automating the entire process so you don't need to do a lot of work. All you need to do is come up with the ideas yourself. So it's a fantastic way to make money on YouTube without making the videos yourself. Now, the next thing that you need to know, obviously, guys, is what software are you going to use to film these videos so that you can make money on YouTube. And the first platform that I'd like to show you is this one over here. It's called obsproject.com. It's absolutely free to sign up to this, guys. I use this a fair bit. It's an awesome bit of software that you can use. And another one that I want to show you over here is this one over here. It's called openshot.org. Again, this creates really good videos, guys, that you can use. And like I said, all you need to do is upload those videos, upload those screenshots, and upload your voiceover that you created to this, and then just create the video. Very, very simple stuff. And we're only talking about 3 to 5 minute videos. So the work involved is not a lot. Okay, anybody can do this from anywhere around the world. So this is how you're going to do this. Now, let's say you've created your channel, you've set all that up. What you've then gone and done is you've created your video, you've uploaded it to YouTube, and now you're waiting for people to start watching your videos. How are you going to blow that channel up? How are you going to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch time? Well, one of the ways I done when I started my YouTube channels is I quite simply went over to Facebook groups and I signed up in the niche that I was creating my videos in. For example, what you can do is you can come over to Facebook, guys, and quite simply come over to groups and type in health and fitness, weight loss, etc. and join all these different types of groups that are on here. Now, if you're promoting, say, a keto diet type product, you can come over here and search for keto, etc. depending on whatever your content is about. And you join all these different types of groups. Then what you can do is you can share your videos on these different Facebook groups, and people will watch your content and they will subscribe to your channel. Now, every single subscriber has the ability to like your video, interact with your video, and potentially share your video, which is going to help your channel grow in the long run. It's a slow process at the beginning, so everything that you do in the beginning, like Facebook groups, sharing it on Twitter, sharing it in Pinterest, will help your channel blow up in the long run. And another tip that I'll give you is if you're not on TikTok yet, you can also create very simple 15-second videos on TikTok to also promote your YouTube channel, because all the traffic that you bring onto YouTube from other platforms helps your channel grow and helps your videos get more exposure. So this is a really cool way on how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So that was my video for today, guys, on how to make money on YouTube without making videos, and one of the best side hustles that you can get started this year. So I highly recommend that you watch this entire video and take action. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button in appreciation and go down the bottom and comment. Let me know what you thought of this video. And if you haven't watched my previous video, this one over here on how you can potentially get paid anything up to $40,000 for 5-minute videos, and make sure you check that out right now. It's a fantastic video. You will not regret it. Guys, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. Until next time, you stay safe and goodbye.